Okay guys, WordPress 5.0 is out, and that includes the new block editor. So in this short video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the editor, and I'm also then going to tell you why I'm not using it for my WordPress. Okay, let's head over to the desktop and run through that.
As you can see, I've upgraded to the 5.0 on my WordPress site, and I've come in to do a new blog post. And as you can see, we now have blocks, which is totally different to the WYSIWYG editor that was there previously. So you can add blocks by clicking on the plus sign in the top corner here, and then you can literally just click on items, and then they will add to the actual site. That's all you need to do is then go and click an item, and then if you wanted to delete it, come into where the three dots are here and then remove the block. Okay, and again you can do the same to remove the block. You can then obviously add in your text that you want to put in and start actually creating your posts. Now, a lot of people since they've come out have said, wow, can't get on with it, it doesn't do this, it doesn't do that. Yes, okay, they've probably got some teething problems and they're probably going to do another version and slowly upgrade it. But here's why I'm not going to actually use it, purely and simply because I already use a drag and drop page builder, and it's called Thrive Architect. And as you can see here, I can launch my Thrive Architect right here just by clicking that. And as you can see, it shows up what we've already got on the page, but what I can do is obviously add bits and pieces to it. So I've got exactly the same over here. I've got different elements, and they can easily be dragged in and actually put inside different areas. So I can choose an image and that sort of thing, and we can upgrade an image and go from there. But how I like the Thrive Architect more is because it's much more versatile. You can do lots more with it, and you can obviously see how the page is going to look while you're actually still editing it, which is amazing. Okay, so if you want to know more about Thrive Architect, I've done obviously a video on this, and I'll put the link below, so because we're not obviously going to be talking about that today. But if you go back to your actual normal WordPress, and if you are really can't get on with the new one, there is a way where you can go back to the classic editor and use that one. So if you head over to your plugins, okay, we want to add new, and then we want to go and search for classic editor. There you go, classic editor, there it is there. So, and it's obviously done by WordPress themselves. Okay, so it's fully compatible with the theme you've got, etc. So click on install. Okay, then click active. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the plugin. Okay, there it is. So click on settings, and this will then give you the option. As you can see here in my writing setting, you can get it also via your settings down the side here, and then clicking on writing. So it basically means you can then go to the classic editor, or you can go to the block editor. So once you've uploaded the plugin, obviously it will convert to the classic editor, and then in time you can obviously click the block editor and go back to that. If you've got more people on your site, such as a membership site or something like that, or you've got more people using it and writing blog posts, you can also allow the editors to switch between, allow the users to switch between the editors by clicking this button here. Obviously, it's only me that produces content on this one, so I don't need to click that one. So if we go over to Post Now and create new, there we go, you'll then see we are back to our normal classic editor. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. I hope it found it interesting, and go and try the new 5.0, and obviously let me know what you think below, and tell me whether you will be using it or whether you'll be going back to the classic one. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.
If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow, it's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.